What's up, everyone? New England Scratcher coming at you. Happy Saturday. May the 4th be with you. Today is actually Saturday as I scratch these tickets. I had a bingo night last night for Chance of a Lifetime. Dog Rescue, that is by Christine and Matt Woodard. Also Stephanie. They run this charity. And we had a charity event last night. It's a dog rescue, and so it was awesome. I got to see a lot of people last night. Robert, the accountant, was there. His daughter, Lex. We got Christine and Matt and Caroline, their daughter. Katie Eastman was there with her mother, Brenda. And then we had, I was shocked to be able to finally meet Kimberly Newcomb and her husband, Jeff, and son, Harrison, who... Kim and Harrison I've known for years, just through this whole community. And then Luigi Molinaro. If I've forgotten anybody there, I am so sorry. But those were kind of like the NES people that showed up last night. And it was so awesome to see them, meet them. Everybody. Alright, guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe. We do a daily video every day at 12 noon. Alright, on this ticket, we're looking for 3 of a kind or gold bars involved. Let's go. Oh, come on, come on. All of these tickets came from Plainridge. Oh, we got 3 strawberries. Plainridge Park Casino. The vending machine. The ticket machine. We went there for a little while last night after... the dog rescue. Come on, let's go. Just 3 strawberries for a lot of money. Oh, we got 3 chests with it. Alright, we got 3 chests, 3 strawberries right next to each other. For $10. We'll take that. $10. Alright, we're in the profit. Should we just stop now? Or keep going? 13. Alright, we're looking for 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x. Or the float note. Stopped by the lottery headquarters yesterday and picked up a couple prizes for giveaways. Some neat stuff. Figure out how to give some of it away. Fun game. I think I have something really, really cool for my 20,000 subscriber celebration. Alright, those were the only 2 $5 tickets we had today. So the machine didn't have enough 10s in it. It was out of most of their 10s, so I wanted one more 10, but it didn't have it. So I got 2 $5 tickets. Give us some money back on those, so... On this one here, we're looking for 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x, the 500 burst, or the all-win symbol. The top prize on this ticket is 500, and we just got a 5x on it. Ooh, can it be 5 times 100? 14. All right, so the lottery machine at Plainridge is already doing better than the lottery machine at Encore. That's sad. That's a sad statement. 1 and 3, 5 times 2, $10. Alright, there it is. TEN. I kind of had a funny feeling of that. Where are you guys all watching from? Put it in the comments. Leave a comment. Don't give the video away in the comments. It will be deleted, but leave a comment. Where are you guys watching from today? Double Deuce, kind of like to know where my audience is. 9, 19, 16, 29, 12. This is the closest I've come to. It's like 10:30 in the morning right now. This is going to upload at noon. 23 and an 11. Come on, we need a bonus win. There's no earn. Alright. That one right there looks like it's of the non-winning VNF. Is that our first loser of the day? I think it is, right? Must be. Yeah, right? Yeah. ticket number 77 here. Come on, let's go. We're staying at $20 back right now. 7, 16, 29, 27, 18, and 28. Right off the rip. Yeah, let's do the bonus too before I forget completely. We got to win right off the rip. 28. Be a single match. By the way, another jackpot winner of these was sold in Edgartown, Mass. That is where Jaws was filmed. 17, 26, 1, 24, 11, 13, 23, and 21, 15, and 25. Alright, we just got that single match 28 for $10. Alright. Lots of 10s today. We got 3 10s back right now for $30. Alright, the last $10 ticket is a $10 Cashword. Zoom a little bit there. Hope that's good for your viewing pleasure. Alright, U-I-A. No O, no E. We got the NST though, so it looks like no E, no L to start. We'll find more, I'm sure, as we go. Probably no Y either, considering there's the other vowels. Yep, there's no Y. E, Y, E, 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 O, E, him. No M, no M. E, Y, Y, E, 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 Y. That's funny, they got monopoly on this. Y, Y, L. Digit. We got digit. What's your digits? E, Y, Y. Alright. We only got one word in the top. We need 2 to win. Let's go. I love doing these cash words. Do you guys like cash words? I don't do them a lot on the channel because people don't seem to love them. Well, either they love them or they hate them. E-L, E-E-L. Is there an R? I haven't seen one. Nope, there's not. A do. There's no O. O. E, E, E. E, L, E. A-S-H. We got Ash. Alright, we need one more word. No M. L, E, L. We got 2 times 0 for OVT. Alright, we have a $20 ticket coming up here and a $30 ticket. Hopefully, these are huge winners. This is a 10 million cash blast. Went up to $10 million. That's what I love about the Mass Lottery. Huge payouts. 18 and 6. 28 and 3. 4 and 21. 29. 13. 9 and double deuce. Come on. 33. 11 and 19. 26 and 30. 23. I slept in a little today. I needed it. 1 and 32 and 35. That is not looking good. T-R-E, not T-R-Y. Alright. We got one $30 ticket here to go. We are at $30 back on the day. We need more money. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. $15 million moneymaker. We are looking for the 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 200 times symbol, or the $100 burst. Let's go. Let's go. And this is on ticket 7. I was excited when it came out of the machine and I saw it was on ticket 7. 41, 43. Come on, just give us a symbol. Just take the Take the stress right away. 16, 45, 13, 21, 19, 18, 48, 32, 15, and 42. 11 and 39, 47 and 17 and 1. Come on. 8, 35, 4. So far we have to do it the hard way, matching a number. 25, 33, 34, 23, 6, 31, and 49. 14. 44. 12. 46. 38. 37. Lots of sevens, but I don't think that one. 27. We got 47. We got 17. Lots of sevens. 40 and 26. 3 and 36. I'm not seeing anything there. Alright, we got to get saved by a money bag down the bottom. Come on. We don't need the top hat, the moon, the safe. Alright, Mass Lottery. You got to step it up. I think that they send all these tickets to the casino because they're like, oh, these people don't mind losing. UIR. Alright, that is of the non-winning variety. We got $30 back today. Better than yesterday, but we need more money than that. 30 is not acceptable. All right, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow at noon. Have a great day, everybody. Love you.